say o can never be ba if I made a budget in your beer me read ya now me are very concerned by state-owned enterprises now kumo man when you say state-owned enterprises say a car bog so what can you know almost 9 billion Ghana cedis or so the biana boka the biano moboka e bi no ya de you have 54 state-owned enterprises and I say you other ones joint ventures about 30 and you state entities no be 60 something but state-owned enterprises you all could say higher pa now when baby free ba I don't be can name ya but minimum microphone me nya but I will say it sanya ya the politics wura mu me di free baby na abanse san na we ma kwaje toilet no sa na state-owned enterprises no ebeye enti professionals ya na sesenka omo tenam no omo ya adwuma ni nyina na yopam omo nyina na ebeye political ene drum no bi de na kufu adon tam de omo say no kura na kufu adon ayi mintimi no nya adwuma ayi no ayi strategy mintimi no nya adwuma system no ene ma ekofa ni bi no sa we ya MP wo baabi na say ompewa asem a na ompe wo so ntimi no nya adwuma na wa pe obi ofiri sa constituency wo no no ayi the CEO e wo state-owned enterprise ba ko wo da ko pesca wo da betu enu na good state-owned enterprise na amma ho nyina say no ana o poasem na o pese wo de mehwe ni e push ni akọ CEO ha na ka bibi ti say ayi gihoku na ayi abade ya ton boka hwengrofo e don gogo de bodi omudi yi any other areas ya we mo boka omotima boka sa ebrebe mo a me ma list of a year state enterprise mo pro kagu yeso oh my Jesus it is about we ya bana se o manani ko ho na se state enterprise ngo ho ngo yetimi dani ho ni yetimi ye ho ya I'm telling you say e kanu a yetumrika bosia na yetumrika ko be eso beti or sit the last 10 years
yes
that's starting from saying 2017 to a year that is almost just emu 8 years MBB
87.9 Kumasi
emu 8 years and deliberately did that so be on be to me years ka o man sika na e tax ya san kodua deliberate no yes and you be push you ne danko when him say 2020 I think 2024 and 2020 about 20 state enterprise CEOs and almost pray for parliamentary seats in MPP